Well, welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. We got a great episode today. We're going to the Golden Rose Bourbon Bar down in Missoula, Montana. So we're going to go check out this really cool bar. First up, we're going to make a drink. This is called a Knickerbocker. It's just a basic martini. So I got some ice in my martini shaker, and it's 3 ounces of gin, 1 ounce of dry vermouth, and just a splash of sweet vermouth. And we're gonna give that a shaky. And I'm gonna strain that into my martini glass. And I have an umbrella with 6 olives just because. And that is a Knickerbocker. Coming up next, we're going to Missoula, Montana. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure to hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. What's that, Mookie? Oh, Mookie says I should quote the band Weezer. You can't knock the hustle. Leave a 5-star review and we'll leave you one too. You can't knock the hustle. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.